Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share a recipe with you for making Βραχάκια. Βραχάκια is a chocolate treat. It means actually small rocks because of their uneven surface. Now for this recipe, the ingredients that we will need are chocolate, milk chocolate. If you want, you can use plain chocolate, hazels and almonds. Now, take a small sauce pot, add a little bit of water and put it on the stove on a medium-high heat. When the water starts to simmer, put on top a bowl with the chocolate in it, and with a spatula keep whisking the chocolate so that the chocolate gets to melt. Be sure that the bowl doesn't touch the water because you don't want the chocolate to cook. Now when the chocolate is melted, remove the bowl from the sauce pot and let it cool for a few minutes. Now add the hazels and then the almonds. The almonds were raw, but I roasted them in my oven so that they have an intense flavor. Mix them all together with your spatula. And then take a large piece of parchment paper and with a small spoon take a small amount of the mixture and place it on the parchment paper. These chocolate treats will have an uneven surface and uneven shape, but that's okay. This is what we want. Let them cool completely and Βραχάκια will be ready. If you want to cheat, you can get them into the refrigerator, and by doing this the chocolate will be cool enough in a few minutes. I hope you like this recipe. If you like it, give thumbs up. All of the ingredients and the exact measurements will be on my website www.KaterinalittleKitchen.com. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!